Welcome to my channel. Here we explore the fascinating connection between the law of attraction and getting rich in the stock market. Discover how combining solid financial strategies with the right mindset can pave the way for financial success and transform your reality in the pursuit of prosperity in the stock market. The law of attraction teaches us that our thoughts and emotions have the power to create our reality. In the context of the stock market, applying this law can boost our financial success. That's why I'm going to teach you 5 essential tips to apply the law of attraction and achieve positive results in the stock market. Get ready to transform your mindset and reap the rewards of the power of your mind in the world of investments. So, without further ado, let's get started. Tip 1: Visualization. Imagine yourself achieving your financial goals in the stock market. Create a clear and vivid image of yourself succeeding and getting rich. Visualization is a powerful technique used in the practice of the law of attraction to help manifest your financial goals in the stock market. To apply this technique, set aside quiet and distraction-free time. Close your eyes and begin to create a vivid mental image of yourself achieving your financial goals. Picture yourself sitting in front of a computer, monitoring your investments and seeing your gains grow. See the charts going up, the numbers increasing, and the profits accumulating. Feel the sense of confidence, gratitude, and satisfaction that come with this financial success. Details are important in this visualization. Notice the details of the environment around you, such as the light from the computer, the feel of the keyboard under your fingers, and even the subtle sounds of the stock market in the background. The more details you can imagine, the more real and powerful the visualization will be. While visualizing getting rich in the stock market, it's also essential to maintain a positive emotional connection. Feel the joy, confidence, and gratitude in your heart as you experience this image of financial success. Imagine the feeling of freedom and security that comes with achieving your goals in the stock market. Regular practice of visualization helps program your mind to focus on opportunities and financial success, aligning it with the energy of abundance. By visualizing with clarity and intensity, you are powerfully activating the law of attraction, attracting circumstances and opportunities that can lead to wealth in the stock market. Remember that visualization is a complementary tool to financial strategies and studying the stock market. Consistent and informed action is crucial to achieving real results. So, use visualization as a booster for your mindset and motivation, combining it with the strategic application of solid financial knowledge. Tip 2: Positive emotions. Feel truly happy, grateful, and confident about your success in the stock market. Positive emotions help attract positive outcomes and play a crucial role in applying the law of attraction to achieve success in the stock market. By cultivating feelings of happiness, gratitude, and confidence in your financial success, you create a positive energetic vibration that attracts positive results in your life. To develop positive emotions, start by practicing gratitude. Give thanks for the opportunities you have to invest in the stock market, the resources you possess, and the lessons you learn along the way. Gratitude helps increase your appreciation for present and future accomplishments. Additionally, cultivate the feeling of happiness and joy when visualizing your success in the stock market. Truly feel happy for having the ability to invest, for the potential financial growth, and the freedom it can provide. These positive emotions help elevate your vibration and attract more situations and opportunities that align with this elevated emotional state. Confidence also plays an important role. Feel confident in your investment skills and in making assertive decisions in the stock market. Remember your past successes and allow those memories to strengthen your confidence. Believe that you have the ability to achieve success in the stock market and reach your financial goals. By cultivating these positive emotions, you are aligning your energy with financial success and abundance. These elevated emotions help attract circumstances, people, and resources that are aligned with your goals in the stock market. It is important to emphasize that positive emotions should be genuine and authentic. It is not about simply pretending to be happy or confident. It is about cultivating a positive mindset and perspective, finding real reasons to feel grateful and happy about your success in the stock market. Tip 3. Strategic action. The law of attraction does not replace the need for knowledge and strategy. Study the stock market, learn about technical and fundamental analysis, and develop a solid investment plan. While a positive mindset is crucial, it is strategic action that will turn your intentions into tangible results. To achieve success in the stock market, it is essential to dedicate time and effort to market research. Learn about technical and fundamental analysis to understand patterns and trends in financial assets. This involves analyzing charts, financial indicators, company reports, and other relevant information. Additionally, develop a solid investment plan. Define your financial goals, determine your risk profile, and establish an asset allocation strategy. Consider diversifying your investments and managing risks properly. Stay updated with news and events that can impact the stock market. Be aware of economic, political, and technological changes that can influence stock prices in specific sectors. Another important aspect is seeking professional guidance, such as financial advisors or specialized brokers, to get personalized advice according to your goals and specific circumstances. By combining the law of attraction with strategic action, you create a solid foundation for success in the stock market. Positive mindset and visualization help strengthen your confidence and motivation, while knowledge and strategy enable you to make informed and effective decisions. Remember that the journey in the stock market can have ups and downs, and it is important to be prepared to deal with volatility and potential risks. The combination of the right mindset, knowledge, and strategic action will allow you to face challenges and seize opportunities to achieve your financial goals in the stock market. Tip 4. Focus on success. Stay focused on your financial goals and believe that you are capable of achieving them. Avoid negative thoughts or doubts that can undermine your confidence. Maintaining focus on success is essential to effectively apply the law of attraction in pursuit of your financial goals. Believing in yourself and your ability to achieve these goals is crucial to attract the necessary circumstances and opportunities for success in the stock market. To maintain focus on success, it is important to cultivate a positive and constructive mindset. Avoid negative thoughts, self-criticism, or doubts that can undermine your confidence. Recognize that these thoughts are just limiting patterns that have no basis in reality. Feed your mind with positive and empowering thoughts. Constantly reinforce the belief that you are capable of achieving your financial goals in the stock market. Visualize yourself successfully making assertive decisions and obtaining positive returns on your investments. A useful practice is to use positive affirmations. Repeat phrases like, "I am capable of achieving success in the stock market," "I deserve financial prosperity," or "I attract profitable opportunities." These affirmations help reprogram your subconscious mind, strengthening your belief in success and abundance. Additionally, stay motivated and inspired. Surround yourself with resources and success stories related to the stock market. Read books, watch videos, attend seminars, or find mentors who can provide guidance and support throughout your journey. Remember that focusing on success does not mean ignoring the challenges or adversities that may arise. Instead, see them as opportunities for growth and learning. Maintain a resilient mindset and view obstacles as stepping stones to your progress, rather than barriers that prevent you from achieving your goals. By staying focused on success, you tune your energy to positive possibilities and attract the necessary circumstances to achieve your financial goals in the stock market. Stay committed, persistent, and determined in your journey, remembering that you are capable of achieving success and creating the financial life you desire. Tip 5. Consistent practice. Apply the law of attraction consistently in your investment journey. It's not enough to have a positive mindset and visualize success occasionally. You need to cultivate a regular and ongoing practice to reap the desired results. To apply the law of attraction consistently, set aside time daily to focus on your financial goals in the stock market. This can be done through meditation, visualization, affirmations, or any other technique that resonates with you. Create a morning or evening ritual where you dedicate specific time to connect with your financial goals. During this time, visualize yourself achieving success in the stock market, feel the joy and gratitude that come with that success, and reaffirm your positive affirmations. Additionally, practice gratitude daily. Acknowledge and appreciate every small achievement in your investment journey, even if they seem insignificant. Gratitude helps keep your vibration high and strengthens your connection to the power of the law of attraction. Remember that consistent practice of the law of attraction does not guarantee immediate or magical results. It takes time for energies to align and circumstances to manifest. So be patient and persistent in your practice, trusting that your intentions are being heard and that the universe is working in your favor. By applying the law of attraction consistently, you are creating a conducive environment to attract opportunities, synchronicities, and positive results in your stock market journey. Stay committed to your practice, adapt as necessary, and continue to refine your mindset and actions to achieve the financial success you desire. Remember that getting rich in the stock market requires patience, discipline, and proper risk management. The law of attraction can be a powerful tool to strengthen your mindset and drive your financial success, but remember that active work is needed to make informed decisions and perform sound analyses in the stock market. And with that, we conclude our video. I hope you have enjoyed the fascinating connection between the law of attraction and wealth creation in the stock market. Remember to combine solid financial strategies with the right mindset to achieve financial success and transform your reality. The law of attraction teaches us that our thoughts have power, even in the stock market. So apply the 5 essential tips I shared to harvest positive results in the stock market. Believe in the power of your mind, be positive, and persist in your investments. Thank you for watching the video, and don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel, and share with friends interested in prospering in the stock market. Until the next video, with more tips for you.